So, my people, by now everybody must hear what go on between the boss and Real Dog. Seeing the two of them kick off yesterday, and Real Dog chat some things and him say some things too. But after that happen, Real Dog go back, go talk some things, and some things the Real Dog did a talk about way back. Him come talk it out and explain everything, and he look bad on the boss. You see what I say? So right now the boss I go respond to a Real Dog say after them come off alive together. You see what I say? Cause Real Dog say him do some things, you know what I mean, and you know look good people. What Real Dog say him do. You see me I say? And boy, me hear Real Dog did a talk about this already, but him never really talk out fully what go on. So make we hear what the boss have to say. Him a go una go hear look at what Real Dog say, and then him a go say what him have to say.
Go and blood clot. Go fund me, and the woman never come back and give me until that day. And me and the woman argue off here. I never tell nobody that. Unbothered queen. Unbothered queen. You tell the woman say, oh, she feel have a go fund and they give everybody. Nobody now go believe her go fund and she rich. And you turn on the same day when the woman come full up the life goal. And you call the woman. And you cuss the woman like dog. Like you only look at the woman money. You call the woman like dog. You never know somebody here. You call the woman like dog. And you cuss the woman over her money when she come fill up my life goal. Come in the podium. Yeah. I want to, because she be with everything, The lady sent me $600 per paper and said she couldn't shoot because of people. I have it right now in my paper. I screenshot everything. When my match done the night, the lady, as the match done, the lady sent me $600 per paper and asked if you buy things, put in your pocket. The lady sent me $600 per paper and said go buy things. So only never do a bad mind thing. No fear phone. Guys, remember the gift gallery. We're working on the gift gallery. Remember the gift gallery. Thank you.
Yo. Me say, I'm here go for my knees. Father God, if me ever support this man again, take away all of my blessing. If me ever support this man again, pan the app, off the app, take away all of my blessing. Remember my bumbo clad tell you that. If me support this, brother, how much bumbo clad money cost me for got a bad mixture? Me Orlando. If me support this man again, pan the app, or off the app, take away all of my blessing to blood clot. I swear to God, I'm an eyewitness. Don't tell me say that uno something from people too much. No, I'm sit down, I'm listen to this and I say where this come from. Because one thing me know. One thing me know, bro. When somebody want break you down when you win, this is what them do. This is what they do, and you can listen and hear the lies, bro. You can listen and hear the lies. You understand what me I try to say? Because me know unbothered queen now who sit down and want to reason with you, because all you can say is hearsay. I hearsay only can use. Me sorry for Arthur, because you rings out the whole of Arthur file. You don't have no file for me for rings out. You can't hear the lies, and that's one of the reasons why the woman don't in Jamaica community no more. That's why unbothered queen don't in a Jamaica community no more, because of all of them bangarang, your brother. You know much of my people them come to me and say, Abel, you know the problem, you know. But the place is too toxic, and them no want them name call up on this and call up on that, and them just stop gift. Or go to some other place and start gift, bro. You understand what me I try to say? Listen to me. I never want to say this, you know.
Some people don't hear what Real Dawg say. Yeah. So when we want to say upon that still, it's like, if him really do what Real Dawg say him do, it no look good upon him. It no look good upon him if him really do what Real Dawg say him do. Because you can't see a man a get things from the woman and tap him from get. You know what I mean? That don't look good none at all. If him have a reason why him do it, him should have tell the dog why the reason why him do it. But Real Dawg say him and the boss and the woman depend like them talk half of the media. You see me I say? So it no look like him have no reason for do that more than for just stop Real Dawg from get what him a get from the woman. And he look at way if he say the woman link the dog and send the food to the dog, you know, and say, yo, because of certain people me can't. No, sir, it no look good still. You know what I mean? So more I know what you think to, you know, people. So more want to, you know, put in the comments and make me know what you think.
But you know why me and somebody not deal no more unbothered? It's like, it's slightly the same reason with Swiss and T-Nice in our way. You understand where she keep a match? I understand where she keep a match and me go and do me thing. You understand? And that day she was number 2 on America ranking. You understand what me I try to say? And she wanted me to snipe it, and I look on her and say, yo, I cannot do that, because I have some people where they are every day for me, them have them match coming, and I not gonna have no kinds give them. Because she knows that me and her not click like that again. She knows that me and her not click like that again, like how you like click like how you used to, because people come, people go. We can't do but not click like that again. You understand? I'm still come show you support and team. We cannot do that. And just because me not snipe it and she come number 2, she done with me for good. You understand what me I try to say, bro? Yeah, come talk about heat front and all these things and ray and talk about me walk and live. You understand? And look people gift and let you can know bad mind, bro. When you feel like say una alone can't have strength, and una alone can't have this on the app. Nobody else can't have strength and have a team, brother. I'm in a business where nobody wants to say. Me wake up this morning and me not tell a lie people. And I like say me I start as something there. Me have people I look up to. I want them come to me and say, Abel, you know, see this, I'm listening, bro. Me hear the fight and me hear everything in your voice, brother. Because only thing we can talk about is me, a woman. And I involve my baby mother. And I don't like when people involve in the family. I don't like when people involve in the family. I don't like involve people family, bro. But one thing I can't tell you now. One thing I can't tell you is me and a batty man, me and a sissy. Man must act like man. And me and somebody can have a disagreement and me now come pan life, come talk it. No matter what I say out of the mouth. But one thing I can say to you. I hope you are the best husband. I hope you are the best baby father. I hope you are the best man. Because some come pan life and swear say, oh do this and all that. God watch, you know. And people we're in the circle know so now fucking liar. But because we don't know say we don't control the people like so them are bats. And they will never come out and expose, you know. I won't do it. The right person is gonna come live one day and do it. Me not going to do it because me a man and me a boy. Me a man and me a boy. Remember, I'm tell you that me a man and me a boy. The right person one day will come out and do it. When you go on in front of the people like some disciple. Like say you will never do this yet, or you innocent and all these things. The right person are going to come out and this I want to have a before or after. And this one of a screen card and having an wall so. The right person are going to come out and do it. Remember, I'm telling you that. Me a man must act like man. Remember, I'm telling you that. Me never come out and say shit out of my mouth. And my style that. The right person are going to come out and do it. Because I hope one of the best, one of the most loyalest man in the world, the most loyalest man, the best baby father, the best future husband, and every blood clot thing. Remember, I'm telling you that.
When enough of them gift you have to understand, you know, people, is that if you come give a person, if you like them and give them, right, you can't expect them say to come give you back just the same like how you give them. Because TikTok are going to take some more time, right? And remember, you know, them are do it to make a thing, you know. So them now go give you back everything where you no, you can't go so. Them have to understand that. Say, I know saw it go. And enough of them come and them give people for name and them give people for get themselves out there because them want to come on TikTok. And when them come on TikTok and see say boy, them now get that amount of gift for them did I look for, them get bitter in a way. But enough of them do that, and when them see it, boy, Jano, them feel a way, cause them think say the person where them a give, if you come give them back. You understand what I say? So at that able boss I talk about how man the woman deal no more and them way there. But them gift you, them have to understand. If you come give a person, don't look back for it. Simple as that. So we're going to watch someone here where you must say people.
I mean, want to know how someone feel. I want to know how someone feel in the circle and see the blood clot lion swearing. And then, hey, I said, Father God, me I tell you to blood clot. You don't like when people involve family and I involve people, family in no bro. And I just the truth, my father. I'm different from people, you know. I am not the person when I say when somebody beat me and I bring me down and I add lies and I make up things and I bag of hearsay, because when you love talk about people I chat now, when you not talk, you can know that when people are still gonna chat people. You understand? When I still gonna chat people. Me is not the person for go again and laugh up with somebody, support somebody, and the other day them a try break when my bill. Like say, nobody else can have no strong support, nobody else can have no big gifter. I trick people and I own alone do things for have support and have this and that and ray. Nobody else. Nobody else. Me different, and me not going to be like somebody who will get up again and see the same person was say things the other day, bro, like with the other day, and one paint a bad picture for me and my family. I laugh with them, support them, and all them things. They know, go on about your ways. Go on about your ways. Me not doing that, bro. Me not do that. Never do that. Me nah do that, bro. Me I tell you, me nah do that. You crazy, me different. Me a boy. You understand? Me a big man, me a suit 30. I'm in a sit down, I'm in a kiss people ass. I'm in a do that. I'm in a run behind a people and friend of people and them look something there. Because if some people feel like them have to dead back on no, or they running for praise, so I am different. Me different. So the round table talk when I have and I talk about my feel, you never feel like me I got ear. This is the next reason why Unbothered Queen don't even in a Jamaica community no more, bro. She not in a Jamaica community no more, bro. And every day when you get up and talk about this person, just feel some type of way and come out and say this, and then una now hold them captive and what them attack say and all these things. Una now hold them captive. No, Louis, make them stay, man. Make them stay. Because sometimes if I stop act like say me I miss nice, me I this peacemaker more than a body. Because when people over them life I call name, and we alone talk about a name calling. If them want to call name, make them call name. If them want to call name, make them call name Queen. Because when them comment section I bring down people, them not stop them people them. Them not stop them people them feed on them something there. Because I one thing me know, you know. You can know when people wrong. You can know when people is wrong. Because when you there right so, when you on your platform and you're chatting up, and then your comment section of praise you and boots you, I know when you come off of your live and see the screen record and read the comments, you're supposed to shame. When you come off of your live and see the screen record them or the vlogger them post and read the comments and go out in the world, you can see say your platform is just a little fraction. And when you go out there and look, you can know say what you did wasn't right.
So what the boss I say, I know my people, is that World Dawg I know one good person. He maybe make it look like him a good person. But you know what I mean, the people them around him know. You see me I say, and if the people them around him come talk, then people are gonna know say, yo, him no good. You see me I say? Someone know what wanna think about that. Because on a level him have him ways, yeah? But enough him do for people same way. But that now go cover if you are not good somebody. You see me I say? So that more want to not tell me in I comment people if you don't feel like say World Dawg him do too much more while. You see me I say? Because him and S0ME, him and Otto, him and enough people go at it. And if you ask some people, them are gonna say, oh, him in have so much things with, you know what I mean, with it, with Otto, Swiss, and enough other people, and say that means say man no good somebody then. Him my problem. And that enough people would have say, right? So more know what one thing.
You can know that what you did wasn't right. So when you depend on your life and have 10,000, 9,000 people, everybody have boots and I say, yeah man, wicked boy, Ray, fear, you feel bigger and mighty. But when you come on for your platform, I'm going to read the screen card them. I'm going to read the comments and it's totally different. It's totally different because it's not everybody can be manipulated and everything everybody prays. That little fraction is not the whole entire world. I will never, I'm not want nobody tell me so don't say that I will never support that man again. Me personally, me now sit down and laugh in a body and be around a body where I try break down my thing and make my thing look lily like say, and I work, able to work for this. Able to go around and trick people. And do this and do that and involve my family. I am different. I'm a big man. A man must act like man. And me not going to come live and talk out nobody business because God have plan for all I know. He might watch you now swear upon the life. He might watch you now bring down people and I act like say you're perfect because the things that you do and I do to people are just because people free down now. When in the bumper class circle. Remember my bumper class tell you, I just two people free down now. Just two people free that uno go up on the live in front of the thousands and swear like some disciple. And just two people free down the youth. Because a long time I not carry belly for people. Remember my bumper clan telling you that. Long time I not carry belly for people. Just two people free down the youth. And no matter what on step on the live, able nah come talk out on the business. Because one thing I glad say. One thing I glad say. Out of your mouth, you say one thing with Abel and Lando. Them not chat. One thing with Abel and Lando, them not chat. Because when they run people, I play fool to catch wise and keep my mouth locked. Look, learn and listen while on a chat and do every blood clot thing in the book. And me still gonna come right so and don't talk out on the business. But God have planned for and the right person come do it. Remember the blood clot telling that. The right person I go come do it. Remember my bumbo clot telling that youth. You understand? That for sure say me not like drama. I don't like drama. No matter what somebody come out and say about me and assume this and want to build it to me, I will never talk your business. That's why people love me. No matter what, me never come out here so and talk your business because man must act like man. Every day me tell you say age is a number. I will never come out here so and talk your business. Never. I will me see it. I will me have proof. I will me have witness. No, that is not my style. You say, who I go do it? Them will do it one day. But that is not me. That is not me. Not me. Not bumbuck like me. I'm glad I'm gonna run back at people. All me do, I like to see people win and I like to support people, and that is just me. I am not going to that level at all. Me different. Me not stoop to workless level at all. Me different. And have to respect me for that. You're not supposed to rate me for that. No matter what. And I'm glad you say it out of your mouth. I want you able to chat. Because I don't go around people and chat my business. I don't go around people and chat my business. All I can do is speculate and sit down and talk about hear this from people and hear that from people. I don't go around people and chat my business. I will never do that. Never, ever do that. You're mad?
So people, you look like say the boss grew on World Dog and him see some things and him know say it a go come out. So him a go and build and watch it. You know what I mean? Until it come out. You see me I say? So I want to tell me who no feel like say if anything fi come out, who I go come out and come talk it. Tell me in the comment, people. So make watch some more and hear what I say.
Me not have to do drama. Me not do them something there, bro. Me not do them something there, bro. You understand? Somebody can't say them rate you and them love you and them rate and them this and them that. You understand? And then want to bring you down so bad to the ground, to the media for paint a bad picture or to left a mark for people see it differently. Because what you want to say, everybody that come over here shoot, me and them a rap. No, Eva Bastard do nothing to get this support. Eva Bastard do nothing to have supporters like this. Eva Bastard, there's nothing about Eva Bastard. There's something about Uno alone. Uno alone. Uno alone, bro. Me tell you say, yo, me got my bed last night. Yesterday me say, you know what? Me go walk past this. Me got my bed last night. Wake up. Get messages, bro. Because anybody me follow, you know. And anybody can boots me. And when I see it involve my baby mother and my family, bro, and you is a man, me know say the last time Mr. Roger talk about your woman or your guan, brother, you don't like when people talk about the family and the mother and so, and feel like say you alone for mention people, mother and family. You act like say you alone for mention people, mother and family. You act like say you alone for do it, youth. You Una act like say una alone for do it. And the same people when I watch it and I praise and I boots, you know, and I help bring down other people say, yo, me I telling them say, God, I watch you know. Me say, God, I watch you, youth. God, I watch you so bad, you would even understand. So now go and continue and feel like so now, God, I'm going to take the praise and go and do this and go and do that because God, I watch you know. I mean, no, say, I want to ask the people them around, you know. The people them are praising and know on the business. How you feel? Me want to ask how you feel for know so know this a man a business and this a man a come swear in front of you. Me want to ask how you feel. Me I telling you, me have to just laugh. I'm involved my baby mother and everything. I'm still not gonna say nothing. Even the other day, me and Amber Queen talk, bro. And this is the reason why she no shoot again in a Jamaica community because of all these things, all of them drama, yeah, all of them something. Imagine you don't involve yourself in a something again and your name still a call. And your name still a call pan fuckery. I mean now gonna make nobody bring down my brand. Because if one of the things say, una alone does a brand, no boy and no girl can start live and bring down my brand and say some things. I mean now gonna come and say nothing about it. I mean now gonna say nothing about it because true, una have nobody in the circle who can hold it down and chat, una can do anything and get to with it.
And you know say people, what you must say about why the woman stop come gift them. Me don't feel like that still, you know. Me feel like say why she stop come gift them is like when she did want them to come true for she, them never come true for her. So she has said to herself like, okay, so me always I give one of them something there. And when I time for me get gift or whatever, she not see the amount. So maybe that's why she gone about her business and stop give them. Make me know nothing. Because you see this TikTok gifting thing with people, me not like still, you know. So my time, I wonder like how the gift of them do it still, you know. Because you have enough of them people, yeah. And every day them get up and them them dep on TikTok. And the people them dep on them thing and I watch them and I gift them. And them do it every day. I mean I wonder how the gift of them like how them feel, how them gift them every day so. You see what I say? Like the gift of them have millions. Like me no know how enough of the gift of them do it still. Me no know how this thing work, but I guess it work for some people and it don't work for some. Make me know one thing.
Me and my baby mother stop talk before me even come on TikTok and I play a match. You know how long that? So why would my baby mother want beat somebody? You can't see the big difference, you know. You can't see the big difference. When you talk about me, you talk about hearsay. Your ear said this, your ear said that, and you think you never want to hear. When you talk about Arthur, you ring out the whole of Arthur file to him. You take out Arthur lungs, you take out Arthur teeth, you take out him eye, him eyelash, him toenail, every blood clot body. That's how me glad on me blood clot stay. You ring out Arthur nose knock, every blood clot. That's how me glad on me blood clot stay. You ring out everything out of the youth. That for sure you say you directly know Arthur business. And you know everything about Arthur, but able hear say. A round table talk. And me I tell you, God I watch you know. God I study you know. God I bless you know. And una try bring down other people blessing where my bless and I make it look ugly. Me I gonna say it again. Me I gonna say it again for the last time. I hope una the loyalest man pan the app in the world. I hope una the best baby father, husband, and every blood clot thing. And I never look for nobody. I never look nobody yet. I don't know for I don't take them for nobody. My argument done. Right there, so. Keep go live and swear in front of the people. I have no problem. Every man to themselves. No problem. Remember me telling you that because nobody now gonna stand up and left a mark on my brand and feel that them can go sit down off of the phone and they laugh with them people them and come live and play captive and go on again and all these things are there. Me nah do that. Me nah go feel comfortable for even dare on or support somebody like that no more, bro.
So people, I open all this way the boss I say, you know, because him say something just now where him say, I hope say the dog not joke nobody if you don't know what I mean, right? It's like remember, you know, real dog always a come say this a man here that the man there I joke them gifter and them way there and him never joke none of him gifter them and all of these things. So it look like say the boss him know something. You see me I say it look like him know something where the dog nah tell the people them. So it look like say the dog a joke him gift to them. You see me I say? So I want to not tell me what I think, you know, people in the comment section, you know, because the boss knows something where him not talk. So alright, just so me I end it. Let me know what I think in the comments.